Hello everyone. Welcome to the Fluency Table. I'm Swapna and I'll be your host for the first half of today's episode. Today, we're going to talk about a very special topic. We'll be talking about your daily routine. It's something you do every single day. But many people struggle to talk about it in English. Don't worry, I'm going to make it simple and natural for you. Let's begin. Let me share something personal with you. When I first started learning English, I was really scared. I kept thinking, what if I make a mistake? But one day, I said a small sentence, and everyone understood what I was saying. After that, I stopped being afraid of mistakes. Mistakes are just a part of learning. So, why is this topic so important? Because you talk about your routine almost every day. At work, with friends, or during interviews. If you can describe your routine clearly, people will notice that you're becoming more confident in English. It really builds your confidence. And the best part? It's very easy to learn. So let's start with some common phrases. Our first phrase is wake up. I wake up at 6 a.m. every morning. Our second phrase is take a shower. I take a shower every morning. Our third phrase is have breakfast. I have breakfast at 8 a.m. Our fourth phrase is start work. I start work at 9 a.m. Our fifth phrase is go to bed. I go to bed at 11 p.m. These phrases are simple, but they're very useful. Now let's put them in a daily timeline. Morning, wake up, shower, breakfast. Afternoon, work, meetings, lunch. Evening, relax, dinner, and then bed. Now let's put everything together. I'll tell you about my daily routine. I wake up at 6:30 a.m. every day. First, I drink a glass of warm water. Then, I do some light stretching. After that, I take a shower. I get ready for the day. At 8 a.m., I have breakfast. I usually have tea and toast. Then, I start working at 9 a.m. I work on scripts and research. I finish my work at 6 p.m. Then I relax for some time. And I go to bed by 11 p.m. That's my healthy routine.
Hello everyone. It's Animesh here. And now it's my turn. Let me share my daily routine with you. I wake up at 7:30 a.m. I check my phone first. I know that's not the best habit. Then I take a quick shower. I have a strong cup of coffee. I start my day at 9 a.m. I handle meetings and emails. I often work late at night. I usually go to bed around 12 a.m. So I guess I'm more of a night person. Now it's your turn. Ready? Repeat after me. Sentence number 1. I wake up at 6 a.m. every morning. Sentence number 2. I take a shower every day. Sentence number 3. I have breakfast at 8 a.m. Sentence number 4. I start work at 9 a.m. Sentence number 5. I go to bed at 11 p.m. Great job! Practice these sentences every single day. Say them out loud. Don't just read them silently. Speak them. Hear them. Feel them. Now, here are 3 secret tips to help you speak better. Tip number 1. Write your routine down. Then say it in front of a mirror. Tip number 2. Say one sentence 3 times. First slowly, then at normal speed, then faster. Tip number 3. Record yourself on your phone. Then listen to it carefully. You'll improve much faster this way. Now let's talk about some common mistakes. Mistake number 1. Don't say, I am wake up. Always say, I wake up. Mistake number 2. Don't say, I wake up on 6 a.m. Always say, I wake up at 6 a.m. Mistake number 3. Don't say, I breakfast. Always say, I have breakfast. Small changes can make a big difference. Let's quickly review what we've learned today. Number 1. Learn the key action phrases. Wake up, take a shower, have breakfast, start work, and go to bed. Number 2. Use the simple present tense. Say, I wake up, not I am waking up. Number 3. Use the correct prepositions. At 6 a.m., in the morning, at night. Number 4. Practice your own routine. Write it down and say it out loud. And remember, we all love tea in the morning. You can say, I drink tea or I have tea. Both are correct and both sound very natural. Now, here's your challenge for today. Write your daily routine in English. Put it in the comment section below. I'll try to reply to as many of you as I can. Next week, we'll be talking about family and friends. You'll learn how to introduce the people you love. So don't miss it. That's all for today's episode. If you enjoyed this episode, please hit the like button. Share it with someone who's learning English. And don't forget to subscribe to the Fluency Table. Keep practicing, keep improving, and keep believing in yourself. Goodbye and happy learning. See you next time.